What are the benefits of using herbs to reverse ED? If you're looking for a natural way to reverse ED, herbs may be the answer. Herbs can improve blood flow and help to restore erectile function. They are also natural and have few side effects. Here are 10 tips for using herbs to reverse ED. 1. Ginseng is a popular herb that has been shown to be effective in reversing ED. It helps to improve blood flow and energy levels, and it can also be beneficial in treating other conditions such as diabetes and high blood pressure. 2. Tribulus terrestris is another popular herb. It helps to improve testosterone levels and sexual function. 3. Ginkgo biloba is an herb that has been shown to improve circulation and help with overall sexual function. 4. Yohimbe is an herb that has been used for centuries. It helps to improve blood flow and help with relaxation of the muscles. 5. Nidium minieri is an herb that has been used in traditional Chinese medicine. It helps to improve circulation and libido. 6. Damiana is an herb that has been traditionally used to increase libido. 7. Catuaba is a Brazilian herb that has been shown to have aphrodisiac properties. 8. Epimedium sagittatum is also known as horny goat weed, and it has been traditionally used in China to treat sexual dysfunction. 9. Muirapuama is a Brazilian herb. It helps to improve libido, stamina, and overall sexual function. 10. Ashwagandha is an Indian herb that has been shown to help with anxiety and stress. Are there any risks associated with using herbs to reverse ED? When it comes to treating ED, many people reach for herbs without knowing the potential risks associated with them. While some herbs may be effective in treating ED, others can actually cause more harm than good. Before taking any herbs, be sure to talk to an herbalist about the potential risks and benefits. Here are 7 tips for safely using herbs to treat ED. 1. Make sure you're working with a qualified healthcare provider. Not all healthcare providers know how to prescribe herbs safely. Make sure your provider is knowledgeable about the herbs you're taking and has experience prescribing them. 2. Start with lower doses and increase gradually. This will help minimize any potential side effects. 3. Be aware of interactions between herbs and other prescription medications you're taking. 4. Don't take multiple herbs at the same time without talking to your healthcare provider first. 5. Be aware of the potential side effects of each herb. 6. Stop taking an herb if you experience adverse effects and talk to your healthcare provider. 7. Store herbal supplements away from children and pets. How long should you take herbs to reverse ED? There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. However, there are some things you can do to help ensure the best results. Here are 9 tips for taking herbs to reverse ED. 1. Consult with a qualified herbalist or naturopath before starting treatment. They can help you create a personalized treatment plan that will work best for you. 2. Make sure to take your herbs regularly and as prescribed. Skipping doses or not following the recommended dosage can reduce their effectiveness. 3. Be patient, it may take a while for the herbs to start working. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. 4. Try to stick with a healthy lifestyle. This will help maximize the benefits of the treatment. 5. Drink plenty of water and eat balanced meals. This will help your body absorb and process the nutrients from the herbs properly. 6. Avoid drinking alcohol and caffeine. These substances can interfere with their absorption and effectiveness. 7. Make sure to get enough rest and exercise. Both of these things can help improve blood circulation and overall health. 8. Keep a journal of how you feel. This can help you track your progress and identify any positive changes in your health or libido. 9. Be patient. Reversing ED takes time and commitment, but it's worth it in the end. If you have any questions about this video, call or text Healthy at 60 Plus at 609-410-4790. Remember, there are many ways to deal with erectile dysfunction. At Healthy at 60 Plus, we have a preferred method called nitric oxide therapy. Click the link below this video to see a great explanation of nitric oxide therapy and how it can change your life. To be informed of new videos, subscribe to this channel and remember to click the bell icon. To view other videos about this same topic, click on either of these two video links. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. Have a great day, and here's to your good health.